Hi friends, how are you? Today we're going to show you how to make chocolate covered strawberries. For that we need strawberries and chocolate chips and white chocolate chips and some coconut oil. First, we need to wash the strawberries and then dry them. If they're wet, the chocolate won't stick to the strawberries. If we dry them, it will. Now, I'm taking the white chocolate chips and the coconut oil, and my brother's taking the dark chocolate chips. To melt the chocolate, we took water in the pan and then boiling it. Then we will take the bowl and dump it into the big bowl. And after that, we take some coconut oil and then put it in there. Then we put the bowl on top of the pan. Now we're gonna put the coconut oil in the white chocolate. And now we're finished. And we're gonna put it in the pan for it to melt. Now the chocolate chips are melting. Now the white chocolate has cream on it, so it's about to melt. Look here. Look at all that cream. Now the chocolate is ready, so let's take a strawberry and then dip it in. Let's do all of them and arrange in the tray.
putting some lines on the strawberries. We can leave the plain one, or we can put a design if we want to. We should wait for 5 minutes before putting it in the refrigerator. 5 minutes is over. Let's put it in the fridge. We'll wait until the chocolate on the strawberries becomes dry.
Already more than 40 minutes, so we're gonna check the strawberries.
Stuff the tray. Now let's close the doors. The strawberries are done. Now I'm gonna try it. They're yummy.
They were so tasty. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video and subscribe. Bye bye.